Hey there viewers, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the coolest automatic knives that you can find on Amazon. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these knives, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Alright viewers, so the first knife that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Grand Way Spring Assisted Pocket Knife. The next knife that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 4 spot, we've got the Kershaw Blur Everyday Assisted Pocket Knife. And coming in next at number 3 on our list, we've got the CRKT Hisatsu Assisted Folding Pocket Knife. The next cool assisted knife we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 2 spot, we've got the Schrade SCHA 3BS High Carbon Assisted Folding Knife. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the Smith & Wesson SWM P4LS Assisted Folding Knife. Alright viewers, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which automatic knife you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.